Let me stop you right there. Yeah, there. Do you have 5 minutes to talk about our recent flood of AI generated images? Yeah, lately we all experienced an invasion in our daily feed with either AI avatars or AI artworks and videos and so on. Seeing how so many people on ArtStation took a stand against this whole new trend with I came up with an idea, the No to AI art giveaway. And by this I mean I want to do my own version of a giveaway, one that will bring to life two digital artworks for you and your loved one or a friend looking to surprise someone else. Yeah, I will do two digital artworks for the winner and his plus one that you can show off and enjoy as you wish. For this, I'm gonna ask you guys for at least three images from both of you winners. You know, those three photos that you love most with yourself. My birthday is coming up soon, so on the 13th of January, I want to spend it with you guys and make it a creative yet fun day by having you around to be part of my creative process. Yeah. This time, instead of receiving gifts, I want to share them. And if there's something I can share, that's my art, knowledge, and chill yet foolish vibe. Any chance we won't be able to finish both artworks in one sitting, then we will continue the next day on 31st of January. Rules to participate. You gotta be subscribed to this channel. Leave a comment to this video containing hashtag NoAI Ninja giveaway. And third rule would be make sure you share this video on Facebook or Twitter using the hashtag Ninja so that way I can find it easier. Also, don't forget to tag at least two friends in that post. The contest will end on the 20th of January 2023, and on the 23rd January at 8 p.m. local time Bucharest, I will announce the winner here on YouTube live using random org. From there, I will get in touch with the winner on Facebook or Twitter so that you can send me the images of you and your plus one. It would be really helpful if I get my hands on your photos at least a few days before the live stream so that I can inspect them and start getting some inspiration and ideas before the live. That's pretty much it. Let's have fun on my birthday, create something for you guys in my own personal artistic way, and last but not least, best of luck. See you soon.